So, 5-8 ahead of the drivers. It's lights out. And that Stroll's car. We have 19 on the grid, then one in the pit lane. It's lights out.
Unstoppable journeys are everywhere. We're not talking about famous victories or world records. We're talking about everyday journeys. Your small ones and your big ones. From keeping an entire fleet moving on land or at sea, to readying your customers for the road ahead. At Gulf, we're always finding ways to support life's unstoppable journeys. Gulf, together, we're unstoppable.
All right, good evening everyone. Jongo here and welcome to the Purple Sector, and we are back. I think this is back to back, and what an exciting race, and what are going to discuss tonight is one exciting discussion. Of course, first, Andy, how are you, D?
Yes, yes. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching this program. Welcome back to the Purple Sector. This is, of course, our post-race show after a
Yes.
very exciting Austrian Grand Prix.
Very exciting.
Yeah, what a race. Oh my goodness. We have a lot to go through tonight.
Yep.
So, huwag na natin hintayin. Let's get on with it.
And of course, Yam Boy is also very prepared. Yam, how are you?
Yeah, hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of the Purple Sector. We will be discussing the Austrian Grand Prix.
Yep.
Mahirap ang racetrack ng Austria
Makes it.
and
Very makes
Ma-
it.
mahirap ang racetrack ng Austria. Mahirap din ang visa actually ng Austria.
Alam mo yan kasi nasa travel
Sige, try.
business.
Yeah. Well, anyway, it was a very exciting race. Merong mga mishaps, merong mga collisions, pero that's part of what we like, di ba? It's fighting and may challenger na tayo, so sigurado na. So
Kaya nga, laki ng smile ko eh.
Yeah.
All right,
All right.
Miles.
Miles, how are you?
Check, 1, 2. Good evening sa lahat. Good evening sa mga
Radio
nanonood
check.
sa atin.
Radio check.
It's Tuesday once again. Welcome to the Purple Sector. And once again, feel free to comment below sa YouTube or in Facebook, wherever you are watching.
Yes.
Samahan nyo kami as we discuss Austrian Grand Prix from sprint qualifying to the race proper. And anything in between. Squint.
Yep,
Sorry
but-
about that.
But
Okay.
we have a lot of
Races.
things to discuss because the race was really so interesting, and I bet you guys have your questions, or maybe get your questions ready and hope to be able to answer all of them. But of course, we're going to check out our friends who are here with us tonight. Carl Conrad, Calora, daming racetrack limits. Yes, congratulations po ulit, Sir Miles. Bakit, Miles? Ano na panalunan mo?
Hindi, yung toy convention
Ayun
ito.
sa-
Ay, okay, okay,
convention yan.
okay.
Mm.
Alright.
Ganda ng t-shirt mo, Tito Jong.
Ay, yes. Thank you, Pirelli. Ayun.
Carl, hindi lang ako nag-participate, Carl. Carl, hindi lang ako nag-participate. Pati si Tito Yamboy also participated in it.
Ah,
And,
yeah.
Toy convention.
Buti
Toy
pa kayo.
Toy Expo.
Eto pa. Kalors Conrad Carl, buti na lang nawala ang headache ko. Carl, alam mo ba na ang gamot ng headache mo is yung mga titos every
Ah,
Tuesday?
yeah.
Nawala talaga. Tanggal sakit ng ulo mo.
Oh. Yes, good
Halo
evening.
pang paracetamol dyan.
Oh.
Mayor Arzarcon, welcome back. Yes, welcome back. Yeah, we're gonna be here next
Ayun,
week
welcome
for
back.
the ano to? Silverstone, right? Next week is Silverstone.
Ngayong Sunday na.
That's right.
This Monday.
Ayun, may question na. Who's really at fault? Wow. Medyo mamayang konti.
Straight to the, ano,
We're gonna have a
Straight to the
what do you call that, crucial answers, no? Iba-iba kami
yeah.
ng nagsagot mamaya. Tingnan nyo. Tumama
Yes.
predictions ko, double points. Has. Tama ba? Nag-predict ba siya, no? Si Justin Dominic
pero-
Minalon.
Pero late na dun sa deadline. Pero okay, yeah, tumawa.
Okay.
Siya, katuwaan lang daw sabi niya.
Yeah. All right. Wow. Who would expect, right? Haas would have a
Ano?
double points, no? So, it's not one of the first, right? Tama ba? Miles, not one of the first na nagka-double points si Haas? O,
No, not. Pero
Hindi naman, di ba?
first
No.
this year.
They- First time for this year. Tama si Yamboy.
yeah.
Jong, okay lang audio?
Yep, good. You're good.
Medyo,
Yeah.
medyo nawala eh.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Yam, start the ball rolling.
All right. So, very excited to present to you tonight's analysis, no? So, first, of course, welcome to the Formula One Qatar Airways Austrian Grand Prix, also known as Track Limit Ring Spielberg.
Nice one.
Yeah.
All right, so Friday sprint qualifying. Tanggal kaagad si Daniel Ricciardo, Nico Hulkenberg, Valtteri Bottas, Alexander Albon, and Zhou Guanyu. And then sprint qualifying 2, Kevin Magnussen, Lance Stroll, Fernando Alonso. Both are struggling, no? Kung kailan naman gumanda na yung dalawang papaya boys, ito namang kabaliktaran nangyari dito sa green na ito. Ano nga itong team na ito? Nakakalimutan ko tuloy.
Martin.
Anyway, Aston Martin. Yeah, correct. We have Tsunoda
Loko.
and Sargent. And then, pagdating dito, okay, we need to discuss this konti kasi kita nyo doon, on the background is Charles Leclerc's car. Nag-stall siya. Reset talaga lahat. Yellow flags were waving right here and another angle dito din, yellow flags are waving kasi nga medyo nakaharang si Charles Leclerc dito. May problema daw sa kanya anti-stall, no? So
Yes.
kaya he was not able to participate properly on the
Malas na naman.
last remaining minute of the sprint qualifying. Sa SQ3 na siya. So here we see the results. We have Max Verstappen, Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri. Dito medyo naninibago pa ako na makita on the top 3 yung dalawang papaya, and we have George Russell, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton. Na sandwich ang isang Ferrari sa dalawang Mercedes. Good for Mercedes, they're improving. And then Sergio Perez, very consistent na inconsistent nga. Medyo mabagal talaga yung kotse niya. And then Ocon and Gasly, the two Alpines who struggled in the first part of the season, is ngayon nasa top 10 na, and Charles Leclerc with no time because his car needed to be reset. So, yan ang qualifying results natin. Sprint qualifying results. So, this was on a Friday. Then, Saturday at 6 p.m., the sprint started. So, maganda ang launch ni Max Verstappen dito, followed by the two papayas. And then, here, we can see, medyo mabilis na din ang takbo nitong dalawang Mercedes na ito. And Carlos Sainz here. Pagdating dito, we can see that the two Papaya boys are really closer. Piastri had a better pace than his teammate Lando Norris. Kaya pagdating dito sa first attempt of Lando Norris to overtake Max Verstappen, nagkaroon din ng isang almost double overtake with Oscar Piastri, pero hindi. Nauna si Lando Norris, pero Lando Norris was a bit of a novice pagdating dito sa bakbakan na ito kasi nabawi kaagad ni Max yung position niya. Then from here, medyo naipit si Lando Norris and an opportunistic move from his teammate right here na para ma-overtake ni Piastri si Lando. Yan, ito na si Piastri. Na-overtake na niya. So, yan yung nangyari. And then here, this was Carlos Sainz versus Russell.
George Russell.
George Russell. Medyo nagpalitan sila ng position dito, pero nabawi pa rin ni George. And then here, nasa checkered flag na si Max Verstappen, followed by Oscar Piastri and Lando Norris. Miles, nasa podium yung dalawang papaya. What can you say about this?
Well, all I can say is congratulations to the Papaya boys. Well, they did it. Okay. We get to see, though it's still sprint, pero it's good to see them, diba? It's good to see that yung talent ni Oscar Piastri, nakikita natin lumalabas. And as always, nakikita natin, you got a improved car talaga.
It's getting
Not only,
there.
ano ba? Yes. Ni Jong, they're already there.
Yeah.
Ano na lang, more on, pag-usap natin mamaya. Or sa ating mga nanonood, you could comment. Comment down below if you think McLaren is already there. Diba? Diba?
Yeah.
Basta yun. It's good. It's good. It's
Hill
good to see.
Bautista,
both
cause
boys.
it's Papaya home country. Yeah.
Home
Orange
court.
Army
Yeah.
is there.
Orange Army. So, kinda. They added some gravel and blue track limit detector in the red and white line. Ano ba to?
Yes,
Gravel
they did.
traps, less track
May
limits.
mga minor modifications ng Red Bull Ring for
Yes.
this year onward.
Joey Barcelona,
Ewan
good
ko kung
evening.
nag-work ba yung modifications nila.
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman nag-work. Track limits pa rin yung mga tao. Yan
Gravel
kasi yung
traps.
you were trying to address yan.
Yeah, daming papayang fans. So, ano.
Yes.
All right. Yum.
Orange
All right.
lahat.
Okay. Max Verstappen was nagrereklamo siya dito sa sprint kasi he cannot shake off the two Papaya boys ba. He cannot shake off. Nahihirapan siyang ma-shake off itong dalawa. Nagkaroon na lang siya ng moments nung may back markers na nakakuha siya ng mga DRS kaya medyo napalayo, pero the two Papaya boys are doing really good. Tama si Miles, they are there. The team just needed to have elephant-sized balls to bring down the bulls, 'di ba? So yan yung tingin ko. Confidence kailangan natin. All right. So, ito na nga ang results ng ating sprint. Max Verstappen, then Oscar Piastri, Lando Norris, followed by George Russell, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, Perez on 8, Kevin Magnussen, and Lance Stroll. Okay. So, after that, about 10 p.m., nagkaroon ng Saturday race qualifying. Okay, dito, first part of the qualifying, tanggal na si Albon, Lance Stroll, Valtteri Bottas, Logan Sargent, and Zhou Guanyu. And then, pagdating ng Q2, eliminated si Daniel Ricciardo by 0.015. Imagine,
Yeah.
nag-improve din ng kotse nila, pero kulang pa talaga ng push ng konti.
Kulang lang
And then Kevin Magnussen on 12, Pierre Gasly, Yuki Tsunoda, and Fernando Alonso. And then pagdating ng Q3, dito nagkaroon ng moment si Charles Leclerc, kaya he abandoned his run right here kasi tumulas, parang may problema yata sa hangin. Bigla kasing sumayaw talaga yung kotse niya because of wind, kasi medyo windy dito. Always remember that the hills are alive with the sound of music. Kasi it's Austria, di ba?
Yeah.
So hilly, so yung hangin may ipo-ipo na mga effect. So dito he abandoned his time. Leclerc stayed on 6, tapos another 2 papayas on the top 3. So Verstappen, Norris, and Piastri. However, because of this incident right here na lumampas sa track or track limits, na delete ang oras ni Piastri, so he was given a 5-grid penalty. Sayang ito, sayang. Considering the result, sayang ito, di ba? Mamaya i-discuss natin kung bakit sayang itong kanyang track limit violation dito. So ang final classification is Max Verstappen on P1, Lando Norris P2, George Russell P3. Kinatatakutan kasi ng papaya dito, baka gawin ulit ni George yung ginawa niya previously, yung biglang lumusot na lang siya bigla from 4th. Kaya kailangan nila nandyan si Oscar Piastri. They went to the stewards to, present their case, pero it was disapproved. And then we have Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, Oscar Piastri from 3rd to 7th, and then Sergio Perez, napako pa din sa 8th, Nico Hülkenberg, and Esteban Ocon. Alright. Sunday race! Lights out and away they go. Yan, maganda ang tira ni Max. Pagdating dito, medyo nasaktan yata dito ang mga Ferrari fans kasi nagkaroon ng damage si Charles Leclerc dito, na sandwich siya between Perez and Oscar Piastri, and merong contact dyan that damage Charles Leclerc's front wing. Yan. So, if you look closer, na-damage ng right rear tire ni Oscar Piastri ang front wing ni Charles Leclerc. Why they were not given a penalty? Because it's lap 1 incident. Tama ba, Jong?
Yep.
Lap 1 incident. So, medyo lax sila dito kasi, yun nga, start of the race. So, lap 1 incident. Kaya, Charles Leclerc, after this, he visited the pit to change his wing. And then, here, we see, ito na nga, yung sinasabi natin kanina na si Mr. Opportunistic George Russell making a move with Lando Norris right here. Buti na lang Lando was able to maintain his lead. Dito, yan. Leading pa din sila. Then after this, here, Lewis Hamilton, na-overtake niya si Carlos Sainz, pero he had to give the position back to Carlos Sainz because he went out of the track and gained an advantage. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy na si Carlos Sainz, hindi na siya mahabol ni Hamilton. And then here, a move by the Wonder Boy from the 7-time world champion. Na-overtake niya. So, mabilis na talaga ang ang McLaren.
Yeah.
Piastri is little by little he's gaining positions na. This one medyo nagkaroon ng contact dito si Manong Alonso and si
Bottas.
Joe Guan Yu.
Joe Guan
This
Yu,
is Joe
ano?
yan.
Yeah.
Joe Guan Yu yan.
Joe Guan Yu ito, di ba?
Yeah, tama. Joe Guan Yu.
Pagdating dito,
Nare-ride
nagkaroon
niya
sila
si,
ng
ano?
contact.
Hindi rin.
Nagkaroon ng
sa side.
contact. Kawawa naman, idol pa naman ni Joe si, di ba? Si Manong Alonso. Tapos biglang nanggulang si Manong Alonso dito. Bop! Pinump niya ng ganyan, kaya napatalon itong kotse ni Joe Guan Yu. Anyway, ito pa. Isang laban na naman from the two
The usual.
Alpines.
Yeah.
The usual Ocon
Yung
and
best
Gasly battle. Kung ako si Ocon, oo nga naman, what will you do to me? Far me out? Wala naman talaga ako next year. Kaya medyo
Natawa ako doon eh.
pinahirapan.
Sinabi niyo niya?
Natawa ako
Pinahirapan
doon
din
eh.
niya.
Sinabi pa.
Oo.
Hindi, sinabi niya,
Pinahirapan din
sinabi
niya
ni
itong,
Ted Kravitz yun, di ba?
Yeah. Tama.
Si Ted Kravitz yun. What's Paman gonna do? Fire him again? Kalukuhan talaga. Ginawa na lang yun.
Yo, kasi
Wala
masarap
kasi Ocon.
masarap panoorin itong dalawa. Imagine
Yes.
after Gasly took Ocon, sabi niya sa radio, "Ciao." 'Di ba?
Cold.
Kaya napasabi
How
napasabi
cold
si
was
Manong
that?
Alonso ng wow. Ito,
Yung part na
buti
yun, yung
ito dito
napawaw
na.
si Alonso. Grabe. Hindi ko sure kung
Yeah.
napawaw siya sa ginawa ni Ocon or napawaw siya kasi muntikan siyang nasali doon sa sa nila.
Muntikan na siyang nasali
Muntikan silang
because
nagdundaan.
na-sandwich siya ng dalawa. Di ba na-sandwich
Napawaw
siya ng
siya eh.
dalawang Alpine? Di ba? Pag sandwich sa kanya, kasi hinahabol niya si Ocon, tapos hindi niya nabantayan, magdo-double overtake na pala si Gasly, tapos biglang inipit ni Ocon papalabas si Gasly, kaya napasabi siya ng wow. Sabi naman ni Gasly after niya na overtake ito, sabi naman niya ciao. Di ba? Bye-bye.
Ciao.
All right.
Bye-bye.
So, this one, ito na naman, Piastri against the 7-time world champion. Hindi talaga mandepensahan ni Lewis Hamilton si Wonder Boy Oscar Piastri, and dito natin masasabi talaga, Jong, this is the definite challenger of the Red Bull. This papaya guys eto na. This was the last pit, lap 52. Nagkaroon ng problema dito sa center cap na ito. Kaya Max Verstappen's pit was at 6 seconds. Siya namang pasok ni Lando Norris. Pagdating ni Lando Norris sa pit niya, dito, napalitan kaagad siya, and we can see here, Verstappen's stop time is 6.5. So, yung gap between Lando Norris and Max Verstappen na 7 during the race, when they stop, mga 1 second na lang, more or less, yung gap ni Max Verstappen kay Lando Norris. Pagdating dito, look how close the Red Bull car of Verstappen to the papaya of Lando Norris. Diba? So, dun pa lang, medyo malas na, mainit na ang ulo ni Max. Sabi niya, oh my God, what happened? Diba? Alam naman natin paano magsalita itong si Max. Ay, ganon. So, dito, sa first corner after the pit, nag-lock ang gulong niya. Lando Norris is here. So, since nag-lock up dito, nag-gain pa siya ng konti. Kita mo, medyo malapit na. Now, the reason why nagkaroon ng lock up dito, kasi kulang siya sa grip, and Max Verstappen
Malamig
is
pa.
using a used. This is a used medium compared to brand new sets for Lando Norris. So doon pa lang medyo ano na, maganda
Kaya
na
doon siya.
talaga maganda na talaga ang position ngayon ng McLaren dito kasi nakita naman nila Max is struggling for grips, 'di ba? So, konting patience lang sana, meron pa tayong at least 19 laps to go dito. Pero ito na nga, umpisa ng bakbakan nila. So, dito, wait. Before that, about right here, they informed that Lando Norris was already given a black and white flag, meaning he was off the racetrack, nag-track limit violation na siya, so kaya siya nabigyan ng black and white flag. Ang sunod na track limit niya is 5-second penalty na. So, bago pa lang nag-umpisa ang labanan nitong dalawa, may black and white flag na si Lando Norris. Right? So, dito, unang tira niya kay Max Verstappen, medyo nag-late braking si Lando, nag-lock up siya dito, kaya lumampas siya sa track. So, I think this was the time when the stewards noted that Lando Norris went off the track,
Went off.
then investigated, and then after having all the evidence, gave Lando Norris the 5-second penalty after the collision of the 5-second penalty while Lando Norris car was turning yung kanyang gulong na na-damage na, tsaka nilagay doon na binigyan siya ng 5-second penalty for track limit violation. Anyway, ito yung una. Tapos pangalawang battle na naman nila, binigay ni Lando Norris ang position back to Max Verstappen kasi nga he went off the track and gained an advantage. So pagdating dito, nasa hulihan na naman si Lando Norris, and then he again attacked Max. So si Max Verstappen, nagdepensa na naman siya. Hanggang pagdating dito, medyo awkward, Jong. Very awkward.
Yes. That's kinda,
Yung
no? That's kinda, anong tawag dyan? Intentional, no? On the inside. So, that's not the racing line. So, yun yung akin, no? Para bang grabe kagulang.
So,
Na, in the heat of
this
the moment.
resulted to Max Verstappen. He got off the track and then gained an advantage, pero hindi kaagad niya binalik or probably hindi niya ibabalik ang position to Lando Norris. Anyway, the race is at the end naman. So kung mabigyan man siya ng penalty from this, at least nakalampas siya ng mga more than 5 seconds. Yun yung plano ng world champion. Siyempre, that's how world champions think. Wag na natin ibigay. Tirahin ko na lang ito. Anyway, marami na tayong back markers. Pwede na tayo kumuha ng DRS. Parang ganon ang dating niya. So now, eto na nga. Lap 64. Nagkaroon dito ng unfortunate event kung saan nagkaroon ng contact itong dalawang fighting for the first. Nagkaroon ng contact, and we see here Max Verstappen's tire natanggal na dun sa rim, and then akala ko si Lando Norris buhay pa yung kotse niya, and then after that nagkaroon din pala ng puncture si Lando Norris dito na area, which damaged his car, and eventually na DNF na siya, and Max was able to speed up pa din, ha. He was able to speed up, went to the pits, changed his tires, and rejoin at P5. Okay? Now, dito tayo magbo-blow by blow. Ito yung aerial shot. I-zoom lang natin ng konti. Okay. Yan yung aerial shot. Yan yung unang position nitong dalawa. Then after that, paglampas nila dun sa 100 mark, medyo napapunta sa right side si Max kasi he's preparing for the turn dito sa may unahan.
At saka,
Pagdating dito,
dun sa unahan niya,
Okay, Jong,
merong
ikaw,
back
Jong.
marker. Okay?
Yeah.
Sige, move
So,
mo. Yes, kasi may back
yan.
marker. The back marker, sure si Max Verstappen, hindi siya makakadiretso kasi may back marker.
Okay.
So kaya siya kaya siya diyan siya nagposition.
So he positioned his car early dito, and then kasi kung dito siya may back marker, it will delay him, and
Yes,
Lando Norris
definitely.
will take the inside.
Yes.
Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Lando Norris will take the inside. So
Kasi
on the
correct.
defensive siya dito, win-win situation sa kanya, iwasan niya si back marker, and at the same time pahirapan niya ng konti si Lando.
Kasi may
So,
back marker sa
yan ba?
harapan. Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we see this
Yes.
this
Just our
incident
analysis.
right here. Analysis lang natin 'yan. Wag kayong mag-aalit sa amin kasi
Relax.
we see
Relax.
everything objectively, di ba?
Yeah.
Objective tayo. Tingnan natin blow
Yeah.
by blow. Okay, now,
Tingnan natin
Jong,
lang yan.
pagdating dito, Jong, ang rule daw is you should give at least a car width paglampas sa DRS detection zone. Yan daw yung rule, di ba? Tapos dito, before this, nabigla sila kasi oo nga naman, galing dito si Max Verstappen, biglang liko siya dito banda, tapos dire-diretso na siya doon. If you see the onboard of Max Verstappen, there was no change in the steering angle. So pagdating dito, actually straight lang talaga yung kotse niya, tapos pa ganun na siya dito, pa straight siyang ganyan. Kaya pagdating dito, ayan o, what can you say guys, di ba? Medyo Max gave room, tama ba? Miles? How would you see this?
Yeah, I wanna know what Miles thinks first.
Yeah, si Miles.
Na ganito.
Okay.
Na-miss
There's this rule na na-mention ni Yamboy, which was give an car width length to the opponent or to your rival or kung ano bang tao sa kanya. Okay. Ang akin lang din kasi, meron akong na-send na video sa inyo kanina. Di ba? Actually, hindi ko nakita yung onboard na sabi ni Yamboy. Ang akin na base was, kung ano yung video na nakita ko, which was another angle of the position between these two cars. Okay. It was quite evident for me, okay, na once you go braking, hindi ka mag-change ng line dapat eh. You don't, ano bang tamang term yan? Maybe you could help me around. Under braking, you should not change your line. Ano bang proper
yes.
term yan?
Yeah. So the term na ginagamit ng mga those in the know is moving under braking.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yun yung
Ayun.
ano nila.
That's what
yun
happened
yung
to...
official na term nila.
Yeah. So
Yes.
for me,
tapos,
I think that's how Max did. Okay, di ba? Parang
yes, exactly. Yan ang pinapoint out nila.
you
Yan ang
can't be
pinapoint
a
out
world
ng mga
champion. You can't be a world champion.
Kasi ang
without
sinasabi
you
nila
being-
kasi is Sorry. Ang sinasabi kasi ng iba is, ang sinasabi ng McLaren specifically was ilang beses na yung ginawa ni Verstappen over several laps na yung ginawa na moving under braking or yung dalawang movement ang ginagawa ni Verstappen while he is defending. Parang ganun yung, di ba? Ganun yung role is, di pa dapat isang move lang. Ang ginagawa ni Verstappen is, he moves to one side, tapos mas-steady siya, tapos biglang move na naman. Yun ang reklamo ng McLaren. Ang reklamo naman ng Red Bull is si Lando is si Lando do yung palagi nagde-dive bomb na unsafe nagde-drive. So talagang may of course you're racing for P1 and P2, you're racing for victory. So talagang lahat ng reason na makikita mo talagang gagamitin mo as ammunition pang pangreklamo kumbaga.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a very tricky situation kasi if you look at that corner, Yam, any chance na maka-zoom out ka ng konti? If you look at the entirety of that corner, that's less than 50, that is 40 meters to the apex. Ito mga sasakyan na to, they are running gaano ba sila kabilis diyan in your
200.
opinion? Mabilis pa yan. That is a relatively fast corner that leaves you with split second decision making.
Yeah.
The fact lang na
Mga 80.
once lang sila nagkontak,
They're doing
the
80
fact
kilometers.
na once lang sila nagbanggaan, the fact lang na once lang sila nagbanggaan, that is amazing already. Kasi, grabe. Ibang tao pa yan, kanina pa yung nagbanggaan. Anyway, these are F1 drivers, so ganun sila kagaling. What surprises me really is, ano lang talaga, well, let's be honest, nauuna si Max, so he could dictate kung saan siya pupunta. Problema kay Lando is nag-commit siya sa labas. Yan ang sa tingin ko kasi nag-commit siya sa labas eh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
because
talagang
there's
he wouldn't
room.
have
Because there's room
would
on
have-
the
oh,
outside.
there was room, yes.
Oh.
Absolutely. There was plenty of room for Lando to maneuver. And Verstappen
Okay.
could dictate kung saan siya.
So,
yeah.
Andy, having said that there's plenty of room, kasi kalsada naman din kasi ito, di ba? Hindi naman gutter
Yes.
ito. So Lando
Hindi
could
siya
have,
gutter, hindi siya wall.
could have taken this angle
Mm.
right here and go directly like here, Lando, punta ka dito, tapos ayan na ang linya mo. Kasi sigurado itong si Max, pagdating dito, doon siya pupulutin. So he could have,
Yes, exactly.
catapulted himself here.
Since
Since
Lando could
nauna-
have brake early.
Yeah. So,
Oh,
ganito
yeah.
ha.
Di ba?
Paunahin
Takot na rin
niya.
si
Sandali ha.
Takot na rin si Lando Norris.
Sandali ha. Paunahin niyang konti si Max dito. Then ito, punta siya
Switcheroo.
dito. Since nauna si Max and lampas na sila sa DRS detection zone, open na ang DRS ni Lando pagdating dito. Kaya na, wala na, dire-diretso na.
Ayan sa nitirahin.
Always remember
yan.
that itong dito, pwede pa siyang, at least siguro naman
Pwede
mga
pa yan,
two-thirds ng kotse niya.
Two
pwede
wheels.
pa.
Two wheels dyan. Oh.
Yeah, he was really careful because akala niya yung unang incident na lumabas siya sa racetrack after he first overtook Max. Akala niya hindi yun ang makakabigay sa kanya ng 5-second penalty. That's why after that, he was really careful not to get out of the racetrack. So yun yung tingin ko dito kung bakit he stayed on his line right here. Kasi nga, careful siya na baka mabigyan siya ng 5-second penalty kung lumampas siya dito. Hindi niya alam, yung unang tira niya nung nakaraan na lumampas siya sa track, na binigay niya ulit kay Max yung position, is yun yung nagbigay ng 5-second penalty sa kanya. So, yan yun ang nangyari. Careful lang talaga siya na hindi lumabas dito para hindi siya ma 5-second penalty. Now, Jong, let's look at our audience here. Yung mga comments nila, tingnan natin.
The comments have blown up. Ang dami ng comments.
Ito, yung
Yan.
kanina dive bomb part 2. Okay. Noon pa Tito Jong, kahit na sprint, he tries to cut. Yes. So, yun, dive bomb tawag, no? Yung backmarkers talaga may kasalanan. No, yung racetrack may kasalanan. Sobrang iksi. Okay, waving, Hill Bautista. Yeah, that's
Yes.
waving. Okay, Carlos Conrad, Carl, Max didn't look to his mirrors and si Lando parang atat mag-overtake. Yep, that's the it. No, Perez din. Fair room for him. It's race. Max for sure will not let a lot of space giving McLaren advantage to him. In judgment, yeah, you're right. It's fair. Yun. Aslantitos, did Lando serve his 5-second penalty?
Oy, very good.
Kasi na
Very good. Very good question.
Sa pit?
Miles.
Yeah,
you
even
can
I was
answer
that.
wondering
Oy.
that.
Yes,
Okay.
okay. Sino yung nagtanong about ano? 5 second penalty?
Ito.
Okay.
DNF.
Si Hill.
Bautista.
Si Hill, okay.
Hill,
Hill.
yeah.
Okay, Hill, ganito. You're asking about did Lando serve his 5-second penalty? Okay. Kasi, ganito. Given a penalty during the race, tapos hindi mo na-serve, whether it be a 5 or 10 second, you'll automatically get a grid position, bawas sa grid position mo on the next race. Okay. So, ngayon, hindi pinakita sa TV kung ano mong feed kayo nanonood kung na-serve ba ni Lando yung 5-second penalty prior to his retirement. Okay. Ngayon, ang decision ng FIA was since Lando completed a certain amount of race distance, okay, yung 5-second penalty niya is a-add na lang sa kanyang time. Okay. Let me just anuhin ko yung aking bolang kristal, ha. Let me read the exact wordings of the FIA regarding that. Okay. Sige. Basa mo na konti, Jong, ng mga, while I look at it.
Okay.
Okay,
Kahit
this is
track
ibang
kasya
question.
dyan sa space, Joey Barcelona, kahit track kasya dyan sa space na yan, si Lando ang bumangga kay Max.
Lando Bumangga.
Okay. Evening mga sir. Good evening, Dave.
Dave, good evening.
Mayor Asarcon, the split-second decision makes the difference. Correct.
Yes,
Adrian Jasper,
absolutely.
greedy masyado si Lando dyan. Not so much of a greedy siguro, Adrian, but the novice, the amateur Lando kicked in kasi nanggigigil na siya. Why? Because he had to overtake Max ASAP kasi magkakaroon na si Max ng advantage getting DRS from the back markers. So parang biglang, hindi naman siguro greedy, pero lahat ng unnecessary na masyado yung mga movements niya ba. So yun ang nangyari. For me pero well, greedy is another way of saying it, no? Tapos racing incident in my humble opinion. All right. Jeong, yes. Sean Braga,
Okay.
had they announced the
Yan si Sean,
penalty
sabi ni Sean,
during
no?
this lap period, Max would have given
Oh.
Lando the lead during the last few laps and still would have won with time. But I guess the stewards probably wanted a real-time race, my 2 cents. Yeah, actually. And of course,
yes.
before investigation, meron yang noted, investigated, and after that, they'll give the result. Now, Miles, nabasa mo na for
Ganito.
Joey, for
Okay.
Hill.
Actually, I posted it on our Facebook page, yung FIA na ruling. The official FIA times and also the penalties that were added to the final times, which were kay Lando, kay Max, and kay Alex Albon. Okay, nandun. Meron doon. You could check our Facebook page, The Purple Sector. Okay, nandun. Na-post ko. Anyway, speaking of yung time penalty, the time difference nung binigay ni FIA yung penalty kay Lando. Yun na nga. Ano yung sabi? Real-time race fun, di ba? Okay. It would be as usual, lumalabas na may inconsistencies ng FIA when handing out penalties, di ba? There were times na mabilis, they were too prompt in giving out penalties, and yun nga, dito kay Lando naman, nangyari na yung ilang laps na saka pa nilabas yung penalty kay Lando, di ba? So, it would have spelled a different result on an alternate universe. Maybe Lando could have won. Max would have given the place and he could have taken off with it, considering Max hindi na maganda yung gulong ni Max compared to Lando, diba? So maybe on an alternate universe, Lando could have won and Max would have placed second and George Russell would be third, diba?
I think
Well,
you will
anyway.
win, George. I think you will win.
Yes. Yun yung sabi ni Toto.
Gulat si
We
George.
can win, George. We can
Ano yung
do it.
dalawa?
Come on, George. Come on.
I think you will win the race. Let me...
Okay, tapos we see here Heel Bautista, did someone notice Checo overtake Hulkenberg in the last lap and then
Mhm.
Hulkenberg retake Checo? And yes, actually, I
Yeah,
did.
nako.
No? Na-sandwich
Yes.
actually. Matagal na sandwich yung Red Bull na yan doon sa dalawang Haas. Nakakahiya na to the point of, it's very embarrassing na for the Ministry of Defense na Mexican Ministry of Defense. Pero sige lang, Checo. Ganyan talaga yan. Wala tayong magawa. Okay.
Yam, sino nakapanood ng
Right.
ng post-race question or interview ni Lando? What can you say about
Okay,
Lando's Phil Santos?
Okay. Okay, I'll answer that. Well, that was regarding what he felt, and Max and him are good friends.
Mhm.
Meron pa bang respeto after the incident? So sabi ni Lando na, well, kung aaminin ni Max na he did all those crazy things, siguro okay. Pero kung hindi, parang mag-lose daw siya ng respeto. I mean, off the racetrack, you're friends, pero business is business pagdating sa karera, and you will not be a very good driver. You will not be a championship driver if these events won't happen to you, no? Hindi lahat ng karera malinis, hindi lahat ng karera lamang ka, hindi lahat ng karera lamang ang kalaban mo. So you will not look at Max Verstappen, how he got to where he is now is tiis talaga. Marami siyang mga podium positions na tinanggal sa kanya while nandun siya sa cool down room, di ba? Because of the penalties given to him. So, because of those events, you learn, you improve on your skill, you improve on your talent. So, Lando, masyado namang harsh yun to say that. Kasi, di ba, karera yan eh. Maraming
Yeah.
ifs, maraming buts, and marami ding
Yes.
i-review mo din yung sarili mo dun sa ginawa mo dito. So, that's
Yes,
my take
absolutely.
right there.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
In addition
magkaibigan
lang,
kayo off the track, pero
addition lang muna
pagdating
dyan.
sa trabaho
Sorry.
nyo, trabaho talaga, di ba? No, walang
Trabaho
Hindi.
talaga, of
pag-aalalan,
course.
walang talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
And besides,
ito na lang.
you're overtaking
Ano lang.
three-time world champion, and he's a really wild, he's a
Yeah.
bear, he's a really wild driver. He's
Yes.
he
Exactly.
defends like there's no tomorrow, di ba? When Max Verstappen was asked, you could have given him that place kay anyway you were leading. Sabi ni Max, I could have also stayed home. Sabi niya. Pero I did not. I'm here to win, di ba? I'm here to win. So, yan ang attitude ng mga
Yes, absolutely.
alam mo na, ng mga world champion.
Yeah.
All right. Jong,
Ito.
wala
Ito
bang
na lang.
advertisement?
Let me add something. Let me add something.
Advertise mo na
Miles,
tayo.
dali. Si Miles, before we go
Okay,
to
okay. Before we go to Alex Albon and Logan Sargent, okay? Ito na lang. Post-race interviews are done minutes after the race, after yung FIA mandatory weigh-in and everything, okay? So, ano pa yan eh, emotional pa yung mga racers natin dyan. So, kung ano talaga yung fresh
Yan.
pa yung karera, they really don't know the whole picture kasi they get to see the whole picture on the debriefing na eh. Diba? So, from their vantage, from their point of view, yun lang yung then given agad microphone ng Sky Sports, di ba? So, emotionally, yun pa yung naano mo eh. So, he might have said words like that. He may have meant it 50%, anything. Anyhow, hindi natin masabi, totoo ba yun or ano? Tulak ng, kumbaga emotions.
Yeah.
Emotions lang yan pag during post-race interviews. Some say it's the real thing, but, di ba? Pero hindi na pigilan ng communications officer yun ng liaison officer na, don't answer that one. Okay, edit. Baka bigla magsabi.
Sabi lang.
That's
Anyway.
live.
Oo.
Pasok muna natin, Jong.
Anyway,
Mga kaibigan
that's all.
natin.
Yeah.
Pero just before we go to that, just a little addition lang sana. This scenario, yung nangyari kay Lando and kay Max, it's not the first time na nangyari yan. It's happened many times it will happen again many more times. That is one reason why we watch F1 or moments like that na talagang hard racing between two of the best, di ba? The best drivers in the world. Anyway, this particular incident, I don't think na this isn't Rosberg and Hamilton. Okay? This isn't Rosberg and Hamilton na yung nagbanggaan sila na tapos talagang yun na nag-friendship over. Yung dalawa ang talagang masasabi mo friendship over na, di ba? Ganun na yung level nila. And considering na those two practically grew up together, racing together. So talagang mas malalim yung connection ni Rosberg and ni Hamilton. Kaya mas profound ang epekto nung talagang nag-meltdown yung relationship. Anyway, don't worry guys. This is hard racing at its best. Sa mga hindi pa nasanay, this is hard racing at its best. This is what happens when you get that much talent in a very short, small amount of space na konti lang yung maneuvering room nila. Ganon ang nangyayari talaga.
Yeah.
Probably, this will change the friendship somewhat, pero probably not friendship over. Grabe naman, pag over one incident lang.
Yeah.
Wala lang yan. Relax.
After they
Relax.
see
These
the
are- they're
replays,
professional.
especially the overhead cam, I think Lando
diba?
will realize that, I have so many space. I have bigger space to maneuver my car. Yeah.
Oo.
Anyway. Yeah.
Wala lang
Anyway.
yan. Relax lang.
Yeah. Let's hear it from Logan Sargent before he's gonna leave Williams, and of course Alex Albon. When we come back, Yamboy or Yamnalysis will continue on how George Russell won the race. When we come back.
Good to go. Hi, my name is Logan Sargent. I am the newest Williams driver for the 2023 season, and ready to get going. I would describe the new Gulf-Williams partnership as historic, unstoppable, and fast. I think having the chance to represent both Gulf and Williams is a really special opportunity. They both have a lot of history within racing, and being able to carry that logo on my suit as well as on the car throughout the year, and it just carries a really special energy. It's definitely special to be the first full-time American since 2007 in Formula One. It has a pretty nice ring to it. I'm looking to represent my country to the best of my ability and make everyone proud. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, let's go. Hi, I'm Alex Albon and I'm a Formula One driver for Williams Racing. This year I'm most excited to race at Las Vegas. Firstly, a new race for everyone. The hype already is massive. It's going to be a night race, which is always cool. It's going to be very special. I would describe the Gulf-Williams partnership as iconic, beautiful and historical. Being in the driving seat for Gulf and Williams, there was almost a little bit of a feeling of expectation. Two heavyweight names in the world of motorsport. You wear that with pride. I'm of course very excited to get going this year. I'm sure the collaboration between the two of us is going to push us forwards. It's a very iconic brand to be along with Williams, which is also an iconic brand. So that will fuel us into the future, and hopefully we can have a good season.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines, for being our presenter for 2024, the Purple Sector. Thank you so much. All right, Yam, let's continue. But
Yeah.
before that, let's answer some few questions right here. Carl, Sky Sports being crazy, they expect Hamilton to win his last GP as a Mercedes driver. Okay.
Of course.
How come Max didn't get a 5-second penalty for unsafe release? Anybody?
Yeah,
It's a very good question, di ba?
The stewards decided it was not super unsafe enough.
Okay.
Kasi medyo malayo pa si Lando eh. Si Lando lang yung
Malayo pa si Lando.
si Lando lang yung nag-break talaga. Parang Alonso ba? Naalala niyo yun? Fernando Alonso.
Yes.
Drama na, oh my God! Di ba? Oh! Pero kung titingnan mo yung angle, medyo malayo pa. Kaya yun, unsafe but not unsafe enough. Alam nyo naman, ang stewards dapat may mga nagtatalsikan na ng mga gamit para magkaroon ng unsafe release. Pero they decided it was not unsafe enough. So, yun ang nangyari.
Yeah, ito.
Okay, Carl Conrad, okay, bata ka pa, pero meron akong tip sa'yo. If you want a new drinking game, listen to Sky Sports, and every time they mention Hamilton or Mercedes, you drink.
Drink
Malalasing ka talaga.
Drink.
Malalasing ka
Wag
talaga.
lang.
Malalasing ka. Kasi they are, I mean, they are trying to keep their hero relevant up to this day. No? I think that's the best adjective for that.
Yeah.
They're trying to make him relevant even if he's not performing out of context. Singit talaga nila si Lewis, kaya nagkaroon kami ng drinking game ni Lenlen. Every time they mention Lewis Hamilton out of context, inom ba? Nalasing talaga.
Ito, Gil Bautista.
Para kay Carl Coke lang.
Yeah,
Coke
Lando
lang.
and Max will do the hand gesture. Sana yung Malamika at Schumacher. Okay, I think Miles posted a
Yes,
photo of Mika and
Yes, he
Michael Schumacher. So those were one of the best
Carbon copy, diba?
rivals, no? Best rivals in Formula 1 in those times where McLaren and Ferrari really are at it, no? So that was 1997, 1998, 1999. Tama naman, Miles, no? Tama ba?
That's 2001.
2001 ba yun?
2001 na pala.
Hindi yung gamanon sila. But of course, Mika Hakkinen, world champion 1998 and 1999. Tama ba? Yeah. So,
Yes,
the 2000 onwards is already Michael Schumacher. But still, the rivalry is there, no? So, what do you call that? McLaren and Ferrari. So, yun. Mika Hakkinen for the win. So,
Ang tanong lang kung sino ang gagawa ng hand gesture, si Max ba or si Lando?
Sino gagawa ng ganun?
yeah.
Good question.
Well, anyway, let's continue, no? Let's
Okay,
continue
go.
to our So, ito na nga.
Yeah.
We had
Di pa
a few
tapos ang karera.
discussions and the titos, or I mean ako for myself, I think it was a racing incident for this. Nung ni-review ko talaga siya, parang watch Max on board, nagulat na lang siya bigla pagdating dito na nasa tabi na niya si Lando. Sabi niya parang bakit ganun? I gave space here. Ito may space pa naman dito. So we don't know what's really happening. No? It's split-second decision.
He could
Sabi
have
nga
break.
ng isa dyan kanina.
Oh well.
Yeah. Oh well, ito, another angle of their collision, and then ito na nga, naghiwalay ng konti, Lando Norris DNF. And then after that, buti na lang, buhay na buhay pa si Oscar Piastri. He was able to take second place away from Carlos Sainz. And sabi ko nga kanina, kung hindi lang sana na na-delete yung kanyang time and he was third all the way, this could have been his first podium
Win.
no? First top podium, di ba? So bad luck for Oscar Piastri. But anyway, here's the end of the race. George Russell first. You can win this, George. You can win this on the radio from Toto. And then nagulat si George, nagulat. He was 13 seconds away from the two drivers na fighting.
Hindi, I think hindi
And
niya
then-
alam na may incident eh. Kaya, kumbaga,
Kaya nga.
pa-drive-in mo ako. Kumbaga, yun yung
Yeah.
nangyari, no?
He didn't know, Jong.
Biglang nag-slow
Ha?
down yung dalawa.
Hindi niya alam.
Hindi niya
Hindi
alam.
niya alam.
Hindi niya alam.
Hindi niya alam
Because
ano nangyayari.
He was 2 to
Tapos
3
so far
corners
away.
away.
Yeah.
Tapos biglang all of a sudden, you can win this, George. You can win this. So, syempre, magugulat ka talaga. What? Let me drive.
Nakaroon siya, ano nangyari
Tapos
nun sa
biglang-
dalawa?
Oh, tapos biglang, nakita na daw niya sa TV after. Nung malapit na siya, nakita niya sa TV, oy, may collision. Uy, lusot ako dito. So, yun ang nangyari kay George Russell. Nevertheless, George Russell, congratulations, my man. This is your first ever top podium of Mercedes for a long time, di ba? For 2 years, di ba? So, George,
2 years, grabe, no?
you did good, even though you took that position from the deleted time of Piastri and the collision of the two top contenders. So, George, congratulations. And then we have Oscar Piastri. Oscar Piastri got the second place. I think Oscar was the unhappiest second placer in the world during that time kasi kung maibabalik
na-realize niya.
And kung maibabalik
niya.
He realized that he made a very, very big mistake getting out of the racetrack, and then his time was deleted. So, first ever sana niya. Anyway, and of course, Carlos Sainz, the survivor, the surviving Scarlet car. All right, so that's your classification. We have George Russell first, followed by Oscar Piastri and Carlos Sainz. Fourth, Lewis Hamilton. Then Max Verstappen. Nico Hülkenberg, Sergio Perez, Kevin Magnussen. Nakakahiya talaga. The Red Bull of Sergio Perez is sandwiched between the two Haas. And then we have Daniel Ricciardo. Congratulations to our Aussie friend. Good day, mate. Congratulations for your point finish. And then Pierre Gasly.
Ciao.
Pedro Gaccioso. Yes.
Gaccioso.
All right. Ito, Qatar Airways Formula 1 British
Nasaan si Max?
Grand Prix.
Eh,
That
puro
will
British
be
yung
on
pinakita eh.
Sunday. Yeah, British lahat ito eh.
Foreshadowing. Ano to?
Okay.
Prediction yan nila eh. No?
All British drivers.
Okay.
Foreshadowing na yan.
Ito lang ha. I don't know if you agree with me, but all the violent reactions accusing Max of driving crazy are the people from the country with the Union flag. And then previously,
Kasama ka dun din.
they start
Under the Commonwealth.
Okay. I'm under the crown.
last week. Okay, ganito ha. Last week may balita na dahil daw kay Max Verstappen and his dominance kaya hindi pa sold out si Silverstone. So kaya nag-react yung mga Union flag people. That's the way they would sell out Silverstone para mapuno because they are feeding the people a very good fight and a payback from Lando and Max, no? So they took that opportunity to sell their race kasi nakakahiya nga naman one of the oldest racetracks tapos lalangawin. So yun lang naman ang sa akin, ha? Ano ko lang yun? That's my take on that.
Nagtatanong Qatar Airways ulit.
Parang
So, I think, yes, Qatar Airways tumatapon ng pera. So,
Oh.
No. Listen to me, ha? Listen to me. Ako, travel agent ako eh. Ha? Bakit ka mag-a-advertise ng ganyang kalaki? Kasi, mahina ka.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Oh? Ganun ba?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to.
Yes.
You have to. And
You have to spend.
Qatar Airways.
and they have
Spend money to earn money.
Yeah, Formula 1 packages
Sugal
for
ito,
Qatar
basically
Airways
sa
as
kanila.
well.
This is this is definitely not F1 related na pero talaga? So
Yeah. That's why
nagsusugal ang Qatar.
they're all there. Like MSC,
Wow.
di ba? Yung MSC, the Cruise MSC,
Yes.
di ba? Sila. So, yan.
Yung mga big names, di ba?
Worldwide
Wow.
platform kasi. Worldwide platform. So,
Yeah.
they have to spend money to earn money. Di ba?
Okay. Gents,
Okay.
meron
Jong, meron ako
Anyway.
tanong, Jong. Balik tayo sa comments,
Balik tayo.
Jong.
Yeah,
may
go,
may
go,
tanong ako.
Like that comments.
May tanong ako. Carl, knowing, let me hear sa comments if you have, kung meron ka pang battery sa cellphone mo. Anong na-feel mo nung sa ng final position ni Charles Leclerc? So, Carl, I want
Aray.
to hear from you. Kasi ito lang
Ay.
sinabi ko kasi kay Carl noon sa True PM na it's just a sport, Carl. So, tingnan natin. Nabuti na lang nga naalala ko. What if kung kay Charles nangyari yun? Charles and Max yung nangyari yung ganun. Baka biglang
Ay, nako.
mag-breakdown si Carl. Kaya, relax lang, Carl.
Ayun, yes, meron pa.
yes, meron
Don't
pa.
worry pa naman,
Yeah, just
Carl.
kidding aside, Carl. We're really glad
Lang yan.
that for how many years kasama ka pa rin namin dito. And
Sabi is back.
kasama mo na ngayon
Sabi
sa
is back.
Formula 1 community. Di ba?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Pinagtripan niya na yung sinabi,
Phil Santos, nice manipulating skills from the British media. Yeah, of course. Yeah, di ba?
Mm.
Kung gusto mo nga
Well,
malasing,
nga. Kaya,
pakinggan mo si
back
Sky
to Phil
Sports.
ko. Ngayon,
Incident.
mentioning
more on-
Lewis
more on,
Hamilton,
ano lang.
Mercedes.
yes, more on Phil's comment, no? It's, at the end of the day, F1 is just like any other spectacle, hindi lang sport. It's like any other spectacle. You need
Drama.
parang wrestling. Sa wrestling,
You
wrestling
need
sa
drama.
terminology, you need a face.
Yeah.
You need, kailangan mo ng bida, kailangan mo ng kontrabida. So, pinapalabas nila ngayon ng kontrabida si Max to sell the race. Which is, well, I don't
Yeah.
blame them. It's a good move. It's a good
At
move.
saka ito,
Talagang,
It's a
increase ng
marketing
interest
strategy. Marketing strategy. lang.
Yes.
ito, for
Absolutely.
meron akong kwento. For viewers to know, I have studied the broadcast media of how the Formula 1 is being broadcast because I also do that on my races. Kwento ko na lang sa inyo. Yung mga nakikita nyo na mga communications from the driver from the pit, hindi basta-basta nilalabas yun. So kumbaga, merong
Filter yan.
7
May censorship yan.
or I think one para bang one marshal or one staff for every team. Tapos sila, tinatype nila literally yung sinasabi doon sa radio. Sila nagtatype. Tapos binibigay nila sa isang director, yung director ang bahala kung ilalabas niya. So, doon pa lang makikita mo na yung drama. Pinipili nila kung ano yung nilalabas. Kasi tinatype pa nila marinig sila. Oy, meron ako narinig. This is interesting. Gaya nung kay Toto Wolff at saka kay George Russell. For sure, before that thing, yung sinabi ni Toto Wolff, you can win this, George, meron sigurong nagsabi na tipong there's a collision between Verstappen and Norris. You have a chance to overtake. Diba? So, something like that. Then biglang pinasok nila, you can win this, George. You can win this, George.
Okay.
So,
Jong,
makes more the
Jong,
drama
in
and
a
makes it more
nutshell,
interesting.
In a nutshell, Jong, bakit mo ipapalabas yung hindi interesting? Diba?
Correct.
Kung hindi controversial or kung hindi man lang, diba? So,
Diba?
yun na nga. It's more on engagement eh.
Yeah.
You bring out something for your audience to be engaged, di ba? Whether it be on a positive or a negative aspect, di ba? Kailangan mong feed them something for you
Yeah.
to di ba?
Yes.
Kaya nga yung nangyari kay
Absolutely.
the incident, well, it was a racing incident, di ba? Pero grabe, the whole internet was alive because yun na nga.
Oo.
Dagdag na natin yung mga
Exploded.
trolls ng bawat teams, di ba? And fanatics, di ba? So, yun na nga. Well, it makes the sport interesting. Di ba?
Yes, ito.
For everybody.
Parang na-flashback ako sa 2031. Ang galing ng mga marshal. Kinuha nila yung no Mikey, Mikey Thomas na right. Yes. Bias yung director. Yes, because yung kanilang F1, it's not inside the, it's not inside the racetrack. It's in UK. So yun yung home base ng Formula 1 eh. It's in UK. So their broadcast team nandun sa UK. All the cameras are just fed to that UK satellite hub. Then, doon nakasala lahat. Sa kanila ibibigay kay Sky Sports, sa kanila ibibigay kay beIN Sports.
Bean.
Sa kanila ibigay ano. So nakasala lahat. Sa kanila ibibigay dun sa Spanish-speaking television, kay ESPN.
Yung pinapanood ko.
Yun, oh. So,
Isang-
yun.
isang ano na, Jong.
importantly, doon nila,
One feed.
most importantly, doon pa nila
One feed lang
binibigay
talaga
sa
ang
ano,
Formula 1.
Yeah, one feed lang Formula
commentators.
1.
One feed, yes. It's one feed for everyone.
Kaya nga, ito na lang nga. Yung nga, tulad nga sabi ko a few episodes ago of TPS, di ba? Kung gusto ninyo talaga, you get the whole picture, you try the watch-alongs. Or you try, ano website yun? F1 Dash?
F1, Carl.
F1dash.com, di ba? Nandun lahat ng data eh. Kasi, paminsan kasi naawa ko sa nanonood sa beIN or sa F1 feed mismo, di ba? Kasi kumbaga, anong tawag sa kabayo? May mga blinders kayo eh. Kung ano lang yung gusto nilang ipakita sa inyo, yun lang yung makikita mo.
Yeah.
Kung ano lang yung commentator, whether it be Sky Sports or sa ESPN, di ba? Medyo may biases din yan sila eh. So, yun yung nafe-feed sa'yo. You can't get to see the whole picture. So, yun na nga. Yun ang naawa ko eh. Di ba? Sana meron pang iba. So, you could get the whole picture. Kaya nga, watching the watch-alongs, makikita mo din dun yung the whole picture eh. Kaya, so, medyo, somehow, it opens up the whole picture for you. Not only kung ano yung pinifeed ni Formula 1 at ni Sky Sportsman. Di ba? Pero actually, isa sa mga magandang commentary dyan nasa ESPN.
ESPN, yeah.
Yeah, ESPN 2. Kasi American yung kanilang commentator. Di ba? So
Actually,
medyo parang walang biases. Walang biases more or less.
Okay, when daw ang Tagalog speaking F1? Okay, bigyan kita ng example ha. Eto na,
That would be so
paparating na
fun.
si Lando Norris, na overtake ni Lando Norris si Max Verstappen. That overtake is brought to you by the Seiko wallet.
Lahat ng galaw na may sponsor.
Lahat ng galaw. Inihagis ni Toto
Lahat
ang kanyang
tulak.
headset. Oh, galit na si
Tapos
Toto.
i-replay pa yung pagkakit ng headset, slow-mo. Tapos may replay, may sponsor.
Last 2 laps na lang
Eto
po.
na.
Last 2 laps.
Eto na, sabi ni GP, Max, sabi ni GP, Max, i-charge mo na. That charge of battery is brought to you by Motolite. Diba? Pang matagalan.
Jollibee
Jollibee
fastest
fastest
lap.
lap.
Okay kayo.
Grabe.
We have the LB.
Kada lap.
We
Kada
have
lap
the
yan. One lap lang
LBC
tapos
driver of the day. O, di ba? LBC
Ito.
driver of the day.
Jollibee fastest lap. Kita mo?
Jollibee.
Deliver agad.
delivery.
This pit stop by Sober is
Oy.
brought to you by Converge.
Justin.
Kasi bagal ng Converge Wi-Fi ang pit stop ng Kikso.
Panalo.
Justin, wag naman
Well,
ganyan.
anyway. Alright, let's continue. Continue tayo ha.
Okay.
Kasi marami tayong prizes.
Tago na.
Mag-ano na tayo? Mamigay na tayo ng premyo. Alright.
Okay.
We
May
still
Q&A na.
have that.
Ikaw.
We still have that.
Galing. Okay.
Gusto driver
Makinig
muna.
everyone ha, makinig. Since nagkaroon nga ng problema
Diwata.
dun sa
Diwata Pares.
top 2 contenders natin,
Nagkagulo.
kaya lahat ng results, yung
Sabog.
prediction walang nakakuha ng 2 correct, at least 2 correct, di ba?
Kahit
So
wala.
yon. Anyway, so ngayon dito sa Guess Your Driver, maraming nakakuha. Kaya dalawa ang mananalo. And Jong, can you show the people what the 2 winners of the Guess the Driver get?
Okay.
Tonight.
So, we are giving out... teka. Yung shades ba yan? O yung ano?
Yeah. Pwede. Shade, isang shade, tsaka isang shirt.
Shades.
Now, who's gonna...
One shade,
okay.
one shirt.
The first that will be drawn will win the shades. Okay, I'll just show the shades. If any one of you were not present last week, so this was from our friends, from our friend who went to the Barcelona Grand. Tama ba? Barcelona Grand Prix. It's a Williams
Spain.
Kraken Racing Shades. Okay, so ito. Now, the second that
Maraming
will
salamat.
be... Maraming salamat, Mr. Bala. The second winner will get what Miles is wearing now, the Drive Fit Williams Racing Golf official merchandise. All right.
Okay.
Let's go.
So ngayon, papakita muna natin sa Guess the Driver. Ito yung ating guess. Guess the Driver. Driver facts. Started karting at the age of 8. 2000 F1 debut. Won first Grand Prix after 6 years. And the driver is none other than Jenson Button. Okay. So, inilabas ko na ang aking The Wind Tunnel 2.0.
Wind Tunnel.
Bakit
Medyo-
2.0?
Medyo solid na siya ngayon.
Upgrade.
Let's
May
go.
upgrades. Hindi lang ang mga teams na may upgrade, si Yamboy rin.
May upgrades din ako. Okay. First name on the list, we have...
Next week may DRS na yan.
Yeah, next week may DR. May wing na ito next week. May wing na.
Brought to you by...
Okay. Jenson Button is Justin Briones.
Ay, hindi pala.
Ayun.
Hey!
Justin
Congrats.
Briones.
Justin Briones.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations, Justin.
Justin
You've just won a very, very cool Kraken Williams
Yep.
Racing
Williams.
Shades.
Yes, there you go.
Wow.
Yes, Justin
Ah.
Briones.
You're the proud
Congratulations,
owner
Sultan.
of that. Konti lang kayong merong ganyan sa Pilipinas.
Actually, 4 lang kayo.
Team, 4 lang kayo merong ganyan sa Pilipinas.
Ah.
That was
Okay.
carried by our good friend from Spain. Okay, second winner.
Mhm.
Second winner will get the Dry Fit official merchandise from Golf Williams Racing.
Okay.
Ayos.
Second winner, Jenson Alexander Lyons Button.
Yun ang kumpleto.
Junji Torres.
Junjay?
Hey!
Junji.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Alright.
Pakitype na lang,
Congratulations,
Yam.
Junji Torres.
Pakitype na lang sa
Yeah.
comments.
Okay,
Alright.
congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo.
Congrats.
Guess the driver. Kindly PM us on our Facebook page, The Purple Sector, for your complete details.
Yep.
Complete name, shipping details. We're going to send your winnings, okay, sa inyo. So, yun na nga. May mention in a comment ni Yamboy. Okay, congratulations. Trivia questions natin, Jong?
Yep. Kailan doy parapol yung Mika Hakkinen na helmet? I'm sorry. Maybe, tingnan natin soon. All right, tonight would be Cups night. All right,
Wow.
so we're giving out our Purple Sector Cup for the first question. The second question will be the Pirelli Podium Cup. And of course, the third question will be the official Williams Racing Golf Cup. There we go. All right.
Sakto lang kasi yung mga questions natin tonight, not super difficult. Okay lang.
Yep.
So,
Andy has prepared
but
questions for you. We go. Yeah, we're
Mabilis
going
lang
for
to.
it.
Yeah. Go,
Mabilis
go,
lang.
go.
All right. Andy, first question.
So, first question of the night is coming up right now. Wait. Right now. Ayan. Medyo napalpak lang yung ano ko. Anyway, from 1996 to 2003, the Österreichring, grabing German talaga. Currently
Ingat,
known as
sige
Red
nga.
Bull Ring, was previously known as...
Wow.
Bilis naman ni Jared. Nice
A1
one,
ring.
Jared. A1 ring.
A1 ring.
Yes.
Jared Kuanan, you won.
Jared
Our
Kunanan,
Purple
bilis.
Sector
Very
Cup.
good.
Yes, so A1 ring.
Mabilis talaga internet nito ni Jared ba? Last
Yeah.
week pa ito siya.
Yeah, Jared, you won. CC
Well done.
Science, tama sana.
CC
Kasunod.
Science, good evening. Chan Braga, good evening.
Okay.
Oy, may surprise nga pala ako sa mga frequent Lady F1 fans
Viewers natin.
sa show natin.
Ay,
Oy,
ano yun?
may sa last episode natin,
Sa December.
meron akong naka-prepare na regalo for the
Wow.
the
Uy, sana
Lady
all.
F1 fans
Sana all.
and the
Yan.
followers
Hitboard.
of our show. Yeah, I hope.
Paano
I
daw
hope
yung mga lalaki?
Paano yung mga lalaki?
Hindi. Because we need a lot of ladies na fans ng F1 para, di ba?
Oh.
Mhm.
Mas masaya. Ang lalaki, obvious, okay na yan, okay na tayo dyan. Pero ladies, mahirap.
For the ladies.
Ano tawag nito? Naintindihan nila.
Bihira
Minsan,
lang.
Naintindihan nila ang ano. Bihira
lang yan.
Kaya,
Oh.
But-
nice.
But
Yeah,
sige lang.
promise, mga ladies. Yeah.
You'll never know.
Don't
Baka
worry.
mamigay si Miles, no? Hindi natin alam. For the gents as well. Well, we'll see.
Pwede.
Actually speaking
Hanapan
of
natin
ladies,
yan.
I was in the Ha?
Ganito
Dong, bigyan natin ang mga lalaki. Bigyan natin
Ayan.
brief.
Ano?
Ganito Wait lang, makinig kayo
Babae pa ako.
ang ano ko, ang sistema ko is yung frequent commenters of the show live.
Yun.
Ha?
Hi,
Diba?
ma'am.
Ay,
Ayun,
ma'am.
naglabasan ng mga babae. Kalokohan.
All right.
All right.
Question
Ano,
number
ma'am?
2. Excited yan, Yam. We're, ano.
Yeah.
Exciting news from Yamboy right there.
Here we
Grabe
go.
na.
Hi, mga beshi.
Sige, question number 2 muna
Kailangan.
tayo.
Kailangan
Labasan yung mga
authenticated
betting
ng
natin.
PSA na birth certificate ang ipakita.
Brief with open DRS. Yeah.
Pwede.
All right.
Nice one. Magandang
Mukhang-
idea yung heel.
Mukhang ngayon ang mga natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ngayon mukhang
Ito, question number 2 is up. In 2019, the first turn of this track was named after, I'm talking about Red Bull Ring pa rin ha. So in 2019, the first turn of the Red Bull Ring was named after this 3-time F1 World Champion.
Wow, hindi ko alam to
Sino kaya yan? Medyo,
Wow, mahirap to
may konting challenge lang. Pero sino to? In 2019,
Sabi
the
mo-
first turn of the Red
sabi mo
Bull
di
Ring
malapit.
was named after this
Sabi mo di
3-time
madali
late F1.
Niki Lauda daw. Niki Lauda.
Nika Lauda?
Ay, Niki.
Nika Hakkinen.
Oh, Sisi Sainz. Niki Lauda.
CC Sainz
You know.
is correct. Niki Lauda.
Niki Lauda.
Tama.
Tama.
Sainz. Sisi Sainz.
Sisi Sainz,
Sisi Sainz.
Sino na
Sisi
una?
Sainz ang una.
All right, CC
CC
Sainz.
Sainz ang nauna.
Panalo ka, CC Sainz. Now you
Munti
get
ka na.
the... nakatanggap ka
Good
na ba
effort,
nito?
Chan. Good effort.
Yeah.
Bakit
So,
Frost?
yeah.
Anong Frost?
Prost.
Bakit Frost?
Prost.
Okay,
Typo
sorry.
lang.
Okay.
Alin,
Typo
alin,
lang.
try ko lang. Alin, Frost. Sorry. Bigla na isip ko Frost.
Na-autocorrect
Inisip ko si
lang yan.
Olaf. O kaya si
Yeah. Okay,
Princess
so again,
Anna.
hindi
Sisi
mabagal.
Sainz.
Niki Lauda
Oo,
Curve.
talaga.
Okay, there you go. CC Science,
Yes,
congratulations.
it's the Niki
Sisi Sainz,
Lauda.
congratulations. Yeah.
Yeah.
Di,
Well done,
may
Sisi
history ka
Sainz.
bakit pinangalan kay Niki Lauda? Do you know why?
Actually, wala masyado akong background as to why it was named after Niki Lauda. But,
Baka
Probably
meron tayong
because-
mga
wala masyado. Yun
Yeah,
lang
probably
nakita
because
ko
of-
kanina eh.
Probably because of what the cars sound like during that curve. Nicky Lauda.
Hindi.
Nicky.
Hindi ko nakain itong mga taon to ngayon.
Parang, parang Seiko wallet yun ah.
That curve
Kinakain
was
itong mga
brought to
tao
you
dito, no?
by.
Alright, last
Kasi yan
question.
yung sponsor.
Kayo kasi,
Sige.
nanalo si George
Sige,
Russell eh.
Question number 3 na tayo.
Alright, last question.
Itong last question natin, this is medyo recent lang ito. Medyo recent lang to na ano. But, let's see. A few years ago, I won't say when, the Red Bull Ring held back-to-back F1 races over 2 weeks. The second race was known as the Blank Grand Prix. No, Austrian yung first, Justin Dominic. It was the first of those 2 races. Yung second was called, para ma-separate yung dalawa, to distinguish one race from the other. Ano bang tawag doon sa second? Yun nakuha na niya. Styrian Grand Prix. Well done, Justin.
Wow, very well
bilis.
researched.
This was during
Well
the
done.
pandemic, di ba? This was during the pandemic.
It was after ng pandemic. During or after?
2021.
2020. Oh, yes. During the pandemic. Grabe. What a weird time that was.
Yeah.
Akala ko,
Double header doon sa Red Bull Ring.
akala ko, the hills are alive.
Yeah.
Grand Prix.
Yep, basta commemorate
The
his
hills are
contributions
alive with
to
the sound
sport
of
lang.
turbo hybrid
Okay,
engines.
may answer na ako, D. I got an answer already.
Anong answer?
Oh.
Okay? Kung
Saan?
bakit
Saan
Niki
yan?
Lauda. Okay, Niki Lauda
yes,
was
please.
the only Austrian to have won a Grand Prix on home soil.
Oh.
Okay.
Kaya pala.
Saglit ha. So, congratulations, Justin Dominic Villaleon. Styrian Grand Prix. You won a golf official Williams Racing Cup. Alright.
Well done. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Maganda.
congratulations.
Noisely done. Noisely done.
Alright. I think we're good.
Yes.
Good.
Yam,
Okay.
wala kang
Thank you.
pamigayng Seiko
Thank you,
wallet.
Ganito. Kung gusto nyo
Lahat
magkaroon
na lang may
ng
sponsor.
Tagalog F1, Jong, magkano ba ang F1 rights, Jong?
Magkano yan?
Nagsirado na nga yung
Okay,
iba.
ganito.
Sino pa magano?
Okay.
Ayaw mag-comment.
A lot of people, a lot of our followers, they're really very good in anong tawag nito? In identifying those drivers, no? So pahirapan ko lang siguro ng konti
Yeah.
para at least
Wala na yung muka. Wala na yung silhouette.
Hindi, meron pa ding silhouette. Anuhin natin 'yon kasi yun yung
Yung
yun
facts.
okay. So, yeah.
Oh.
Yung facts,
Yung
i-ano
clues.
natin. Para
yung clues natin ang medyo
papahirapan ko lang
Make
ng
it-
konti. After the
Make it
show,
before
after
1970.
the show,
Yeah.
wag naman.
Ako nanalo ngayon.
Wag yung
May
relevant
next time.
din naman.
Yes, Hill, may next time
Yung
tayo
nasa
ulit. No worries. Thank you
21st century.
There's
for
always
another great
next time.
episode. Sana
Don't
all
worry.
British drivers will get the podium. Malay mo, yung tatlo, no? Malay mo.
Alay mo.
Oh,
Kaya nga, sabi ko kanina, parang foreshadowing yung yung poster na yun eh.
yeah. Wow.
Mm-mm.
Puputok talaga yung Silverstone kung gano'n mangyari.
Jong,
Grabe na, imagine mo, no?
pa-arbor. Jong, pa-arbor daw nung t-shirt mo, sabi ni Dane Perez.
Pwede.
Pirelli.
Yeah.
Oh, kakaroon tayo niyan soon.
Really pa nga.
Yeah. All right. I think we're good.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay.
very good.
before we-
A very, very nice discussion
Yes.
from you guys and
you had fun.
of course our viewers. Sana ganito lagi yung karera, no? Masaya.
Oo.
Merong,
Yes, it's hard enough to Google, Tito. Yeah.
Okay. Jong, Miles, and Andy, bakit hindi tayo manood ng live then i-televise natin in Tagalog?
Watch along? Watch along? Uy,
Reaction,
dinidare niyo ako mag-watch along?
live race
Alas 4
reaction,
ng umaga.
live race reaction, di ba?
Manood kaya kayo?
Will you be watching, guys?
Ganito na lang kung how about we do it kung yung may yung reasonable yung oras yung may
Pwede.
nagla-live viewing dyan sa Pinas, mga ganun. Hindi yung alas 4 ng umaga dito, gigising ako para
This weekend, I'll be here in Davao this
Siyempre.
weekend.
British Grand Prix.
Sige.
sige. Subukan natin.
Subukan
This is-
natin.
Guys, we
Logistically,
don't talk
we'll
about
have to
this
think
here,
about it.
ha?
Ganito.
Planning right
Umpisahan
here.
natin. Ganito makinig kayo. Umpisahan natin dun sa drinking game. Every
Eh,
time
ito.
they mention the Hamilton and inom tayo.
Sige, Hill, we'll try to check Discord. I think my daughter knows how to run
Mahirap yun sa
Discord.
akin, duty pa ako sa mga-
Maybe we could, Sige lang, we'll try to talk to these guys after
Subukan
offline. Sa Suzuka para tanghali.
Maaga tayo malalasing.
Lasing na tayo.
Lasing. Tanghaling tapat, lasing.
Yeah. Sige, we'll try.
Hindi naman.
Why not?
Sige,
It's always the
subukan.
first time.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think
we'll
that's
do-
it.
We'll do
Okay.
watch-alongs lang. Kahit walang F1 feed.
Yeah,
Oh,
watch
mahirap.
along
Live
din
reaction lang.
Yung graphics natin.
Oh.
baka
Live
pwede mo
reaction.
pakita.
Soon.
Ah,
Sige.
okay. Mag-usapan natin.
Subukan natin.
Yung ginawa ni Andy.
Yeah.
Ginawa ni Andy.
Alright.
Pwede natin yun. Yan.
Oh, tingnan natin. Let's see.
Okay. Looks exciting.
Sige.
We'll check.
Very exciting.
All right. Okay, I think that's it. So with Bisaya sub, pwede din.
Pwede
Hindi,
kayo.
meron taga-translate ng Bisaya. Pwede kung gusto ninyo.
Fastest clock. Brought to you
Kabilang
by
channel.
Robos.
Oh,
Astig
kabilang channel.
Oh.
Lisod
Sige.
na, lisod.
Kabilang stream.
All right. Tapos yung sponsor namin, Seiko Wallet. Tingnan nyo. All right, before we go,
Jong,
Andy.
Ang tanong Jong, buhay pa
Ano?
ba sa Seiko Wallet?
Ay, wag mo
Meron pa
kaya
bang
boy.
Seiko
Ba't
Wallet
napasok
ngayon?
yung Seiko Wallet? Di.
Hindi, meron akong bagong, meron Jong, please, kindly pakihanap yung yung let your marketing people do this. Kontakin nila yung YC.
Anong YC?
YC Bikini Briefs. YC Bikini Briefs. A brief that packs a wallop.
Di, baka ano pang masabi dito, di. Magpaalam ka na.
Okay. These guys are showing their age lang konti, pero that's okay. But yes, we definitely had a really fun race weekend, di ba? It was such a very refreshing feeling watching Lando and Max battle again and again. Akala natin last lap na yung action, pero pa lang, hindi pa pala last lap, tapos ganun naka-intense yung labanan. That was a fun race. This was a fun show. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us tonight. I hope everyone else had fun kasi obviously coming apat, we had fun tonight. Thank you again for joining us. Hopefully, we will see you again next week, same time, same place, after the British Grand Prix. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Kung si Max at saka si Lando pa rin at the front. Hopefully, we will see more F1 action next week and we will catch you after the race. Until then, everyone, have a good night. Stay safe.
All right. Miles?
Okay. Before ako magpaalam, ito lang sasabihin ko sa lahat. Finally, after 2 years, we get to see a real contender, a real challenger for Max Verstappen sa Red Bull. Anyway, I'll just leave it at that. Bahala na tayo magmakbakan sa comments kung anong gusto nyo sabihin. But anyway, once again, thank you to our viewers. Thank you to Golf Philippines. Thank you to Alpine Stars. Thank you to Pirelli. And yun na, sinabi na ni Andy at sasabihin din ni Yamboy. I'll catch you guys na lang on the next one. Bye.
All right. Yam?
Okay. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. I hope you learned something, and if not, I hope you were entertained. I know we were. Masaya yung usapan natin kanina, and yes, my promise to the ladies here on the show, commenting live, meron kayong something from me at the end of the season. So, abangan nyo yan.
Alright.
And, yeah, thank you. Kasi masaya pag ano eh. Tsaka yung inputs ng ladies, mas minsan nakakahiya nga kung titingnan mo.
Mas
Kasi,
insightful, di
wow,
ba?
alam niya yon. Tapos ako parang, oh, okay, I learned something from Miss So-and-so. So, yeah, yun. Ang ganda. Alright, so thank you very much. And we'll see you next Tuesday. And after this show, I'll post the new Guess the Driver na. So, stay tuned for that or abangan ninyo mamaya. Alright, Jong.
Alright. So, tell your friends about it. And pag-usapan namin after this live, if we're gonna do a, watch along, something like that, we'll see what we can do since that I'll be at home during that time. So, ayun. I hope you had fun in this tonight's episode. Of course, we had fun. And tama yung sinabi ni Miles that there's already a legit challenger. So, hoping that it's not gonna, mess up in their home Grand Prix. So, I hope everything will change from then on. All right, so guys, it's gonna be a double header or triple header once again. We're gonna see you next Tuesday. Tell your friends about it. And, of course, thank you to all our friends from Golf, Pirelli, and Alpine Stars. So, on behalf of Yambo, Andy, and Miles, maraming salamat po. We'll see you again next Tuesday. Goodbye and good night.
Good night.
Down towards the braking zone. 5 lights ahead of drivers. Lights out. It's Liga. And Mark Stroll's car. And we have 19 on the grid, then 1 in the pit lane. It's lights out.